Anyways, I've started to make some update videos on the ceiling fans, on the national orbit fans in my relative's house on my dad's side. So anyways, some professionals came and fixed them, and apparently they did a good job with it. So anyways, now that it just came to me now that these grills and blades were stolen off that wall fan that used to be there. And I think that they just sacrificed the wall fan for having a ceiling fan up here. I put some blades here before, but I don't know where they went. So anyways, I'm gonna go and turn it on. Running a flow. There's also this other one which I made a video for earlier. This one kind of wobbles. Blowing the dog fur. Notice how the dog fur came all the way here. I'm seeing that the dogs come here every so often. Yeah, it's shaking. That's slow. Kind of a fast blow for my taste. Anyway, let's start at the medium. It's really shaking there. I think they should have secured the mounting a bit better, or maybe they should just put better blades on it. It's high. Oh, that is really wobbly. I would think that if I were down. Whoa. Can't even believe they use it like this. Anyway, let's snag off. Then really let's do sort of some high. After this spins down. By the way, if you're wondering, this is one of those ones made in the Philippines. They're not made in China or anything. Anyways, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna try and balance it sometime, but yeah. Anyways, there you have it.